Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can allow regular users, non-admin, non-host users, to create portals in your .NetNuke site. So, just a few examples of how this could be applicable in real life outside of this demo. Let's say that you work in a company, you have a DNN site that is a portal within the intranet of your company, and maybe you want to allow people or departments to create their own portals if they want. So how can you do that without giving them host access? Of course, you could create for them, because I'm assuming that you have super user privileges, so you could create on their behalf. But how can you allow them to create that themselves? And that's what we're gonna be talking about today. We will not be using any third-party module. It's all within DNN's own core functionality. So here we have a DNN6 website. I'm going to log in to the backend as super user. We're gonna need super user privileges here. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a page that will have a link. If people click on this link, they will be allowed to create a new portal. So let's create the page first. So let's just go to pages, add page. Let's call this page as new portal. New portal request, let's call it that way. New portal request, and this will be visible to all users. This will be part of the menu, and let's put it in the very end of the menu, and let's click add page. Perfect. So we have a new portal request here. I'm gonna go there. I'm already in that page. I can just delete this. Actually, we could just put a blurb here, piece of text explaining what this page is all about. I'm not gonna do that right now, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add a message that they will be able to click on a link. Click here to create your portal. Now, I'm just gonna put a larger font here just to give some visibility. Save this. Let's change this, the title. Let's call this new portal. And now, I have just put the text. There's no link yet, because we need to know what this link should be. Now, this link should be exactly this. If you go to host, site management, and then go to manage, add new site. So, well, there is a little thing here that we need to do first, because this is coming up as a pop-up. I cannot see directly its URL, so I'm gonna disable pop-ups for a second so I can see the URL to this configuration here. So let's just close this for a second. Let's go to, I think it's under host settings, and then actually I think it's under admin. So let's go to admin, site settings, to disable those pop-ups, and then from here advanced settings, usability settings, and then enable pop-ups. I'm just gonna uncheck this temporarily at least. I'm gonna update. Now once this is updated, I'm gonna go back to that feature, to that page there, which is host, site management. Again, we are trying to find the correct URL to add a new portal. So from here, I'm gonna go to manage, add new site. And so this is the URL that we want. So I just have to copy this. Now, this is the link. I'm gonna go back to new portal request page, and I'm gonna create the link here. So I'm gonna go manage, edit content, and then I will select this and create a link to that URL. So under URL, but that's, I'm just gonna paste this, click OK, and here is the entire text set as a link. I'm gonna save this. And let's have a look. So this is Firefox. I'm gonna open the site in Internet Explorer. I'm gonna refresh this. Here's the new portal request. I'm not logged in, so I'm just gonna click there. Here's the link. Again, this link could be a button, an image, whatever you like to have that link as. So let's click there. Now, if I were you, I would be asking, how come we can, just with a URL, we can create a new portal or a new child portal so easily? I mean, I would assume that we would have to do a little bit more. I mean, it seems a bit unsecure. And the thing is that I have already gone to the site and I've checked an option called, and I'm gonna go there right now. If I go to host settings, and then under payment settings, this option that says anonymous demo sign up is checked. By default, this is not checked. If this option is not checked like this, and I'm gonna click update, here is what happened when I try to access that link. I'm just gonna go back there, click here to create your portal. It asks for login information because, you know, by default, the site should not allow anyone to create a new portal. It should be something restricted to host users. But again, this option by default comes unchecked. If I check this option, anonymous demo sign up, I click update, then and only then I will be able to go to that link, create a new portal, and here's a new portal. This is the end of part 1 of the video on how to allow non-super users to create portals using the core DNN.